Today I'll be reviewing this Lego promo set from a while ago. The promotional set. It has this little bunny build. Uses this piece for the little tail and pink nose, and the ears can move. You can get some different expressions. Kind of, maybe, I don't know. And then it has this carrot house. Has some, I think, flowers. These might be flowers. Those are some actual flower beds. Oops, that fell off. The mailbox says post. And the door can open stuff. And inside there's a rug on the floor there. And there's a mirror and some drawers. And on this side there's some family pictures, I think. There's a whole lot of them in that one. And there's also an Easter egg in this. Well, these are egg pieces, but besides that, there's an Easter egg behind this. Like a literal Easter egg. And I think that's it for now. And thanks for watching.